Oh my Teddy, this comic is so amazing. Look at this page. How beautiful is this? Wow, look at other page. This is best page in book.
Timmy, why is there rubbish all over your room?
I don't know, Sarah. I just don't feel like cleaning up.
But Timmy, throwing rubbish on the floor isn't good. It makes your room messy and can even attract bugs.
It's just a little rubbish. What's the big deal?
The big deal is that a clean room helps you stay healthy and happy. Thus, it's much easier to find your toys when your room is tidy.
I guess that makes sense. But what should I do with all this rubbish?
You should always throw rubbish in the bin. Let me show you.
I get it now. I'll keep my room clean from now on.
That's the spirit, Timmy. Remember, it's always important to do the right thing, even when no one is watching.
I'm going to start cleaning right now.
Yes, now we start to clean the home. Timmy, you want to. Hey, let's go in park.
Yes, Sarah, this is very good idea.
Remember, kids, always keep your room clean and throw your rubbish in the bin. A clean space is a happy place.